Hello students, how are you? It is hope that you are all in very good conditions along with your parents and guardians. Now, we know that nowadays coronavirus has become one of the major issues across the world. Many people died due to this very dangerous virus. So our government has ordered us we should keep in our home and we say we should obey order of our government and we should help our government and our family, our peoples to survive from this disease. Now it is a very glad news for you. Our school, the Legend School, has started online classes for you. Now you can learn more and you feel as if such type of feeling you feel in your classes, in your class. Now today I am going to teach you grammar book of class 7, lesson 1, topic, phrases and clauses. It is a very effective topic for you, not only for class 7 student, but also it is very effective and very review matter for the class 8 students. Now, phrase. What is phrase? What is phrase? First of all, our question, what is phrase? Now, first of all, we are going to write some example of phrase. Then we will see what is the definition of, what is the answer of this question. First, at night. At night. Now, on the cell with her father. Some boys in the classroom. Some boys in the classroom. At night on the cell with her father. Some boys in the classroom. Now, see and think. At night on the cell with her father. Some boys in the classroom. Each phrase has a certain meaning, but not complete meaning. At night, what at night? On the cell, what on the cell? What with her father? What some boys are doing in the classroom? Such question we can arise ourselves. Now, in order to make complete sense, we need to use some words in these phrases. Just look at night we see stars. Very simple. At night we see stars. It has become a complete meaning. On the same, see keeps books on the shelf. She lives with her father. Some boys in the classroom are making a noise. Very simple. Now, At night we see stars. It has become a complete sense and complete meaning. She keeps books on the shelf. It becomes a complete meaning. She lives with her father. It gives us complete sense and complete meaning. Some boys in the classroom are making a noise. This sentence is giving us a complete sense and meaning. So we have reached at conclusion that a group of words that makes sense but not complete sense. It is called a phrase. After adding some words, we find complete sense. So we can say that a group of words that makes sense but not complete sense, it is called a phrase. Very clearly, in the other words, we can easily say that a group of words which has a certain meaning but not complete meaning is called phrase. Now, in order to make complete meaning and sense, we have to add some other words. So, there are three types of phrase: noun phrase, adjective phrase, and adverb phrase. Further in detail, we will study in next chapter. Now, next topic is clauses. सामान्य भाषा में इसको हम लोग कह सकते हैं शब्दों का ऐसा समूह जो हम लोगों को एक मीनिंग तो देता है लेकिन पूरा कंप्लीट मीनिंग नहीं देता है, इसलिए इसको हम लोग कहते हैं फ्रेज. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.